Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss one important uh, category of indefinite integral, right? So here the problem which we are going to solve, it belongs to this type of indefinite integral, right? So here we have to integrate 1 over square root of ax square plus bx plus c, right? So in such problems we see that the denominator has a quadratic function or a quadratic polynomial uh, inside the square root sign, right? Okay, so now what we do here, uh, we'll try to make the perfect square of this quadratic polynomial, right? So here we have, let us first call this integral as I, right? Now here we have 9 minus 8x minus x square. Now this is a quadratic polynomial, and we'll convert it into a perfect square, right? So now we can write it as 9 minus x square plus 8x, right? And now this can be written as 9 minus, and here we have x square plus 8x, so we can write it as x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 16, right? And we see that this term is now equal to x plus 4 whole square, because this is a square, then b square, and then 2ab term is 2 times x times 4, that is 8x, and here we have minus 16 to compensate this term, right? So 16 and 16 get cancelled, and we are left with this term, right? So this is how we write this perfect square, that is x plus 4 whole square. Now we can simplify it, so we have 9 minus x plus 4 whole square, then minus and minus becomes plus, so we have 16, and 16 plus 9 is 25, right? And 25 can also be written as 5 square, right? So now we have 5 square minus x plus 4 whole square. So this is the step 1 whenever we deal with such integrals where we have a quadratic polynomial inside a square root, right? So we have now a term like a square minus b square. So now I can be written as integral dx, and we have a square root of 5 square minus x plus 4 whole square, right? Now here we'll make a small substitution, and we'll put say u is equal to x plus 4, right? So therefore du over dx is equal to 1, and du is equal to dx, right? So now this integral I, it becomes du. For dx we have du, and we have a square root of 5 square minus u square, right? Now this form is a standard form, right? And we know that the integral of square root of a square minus x square is given by sine inverse x over a, right? And here the value of a is 5, and for x we have u, right? So now the integral of this function is given by sine inverse x. For x we have u, and for a we have 5, right? And c is the constant of integration, right? So now we can replace this u by x plus 4, so we have x plus 4 over 5, right, and plus c. So the integral of this function is given by sine inverse x plus 4 over 5 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So viewers, this is how we solve an integral of this type.